nang magaya akadiuchu osalin na koli aso ite kim khatin kipani hilante.
Yo, hello everyone, si Vai Kale Muvoi, Nadam Namo, Kuki people, welcome back again. Today we have one suggested music by the title When the Sun Rises, guys. Vahboilhing Khongsai, video processing at LMIN Media, guys. This media actually did amazing, and most of my reaction is from this media. We really appreciate them. Do support them also, guys. And yeah, love from Africa. Let's check it out. When the Sun Rises. I think this is a Kuki version song, right? So Madam Namo, guys, and Salam Sibai Kale. Let's check it out. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel also, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go. Boy, okay, she's the singer, I think. What and tune, then Chung or Keep. Special thanks to those guys. When the sun rises, Vahboilhing Khongsai. Let's see when the sun rises, what a blessing we'll get.
When the sun rises in the morning, meeting so my kimin zale nunte, I'll be looking for you, my friend. Kay holding nga chimasacheng.
Let me sing for you guys. I love this song.
When the sun rises in the morning, sing dong so I can in nui homunte.
Time to sing, you are thadoukukinewvideosong.
I'll be crying for your family. Nang magaya akadiuchu osalin na koli aso ite kim khatin kipani hilante kay din ko sa Manipur đâu có đồn theo ta đồn đi đàn tê. When the sun rises in the morning, năm tis lên đi ta hem.
Amazing, amazing. But this is so soundful, such a powerful song.
Na tis lên thu a say.
It's a lot of blood.
Năm pi kilong khát na kol ni so
You
ta.
don't want to see the sun.
Khang song khang giá chỉ mang dòng về sộp thiết bốn tê thiết sân lang đi
My blood.
sa lên na cô đi ang so đi kim khát đi khi ba đi hilante kay the morning. Nampisalin ni tahin. They say that silent now, the song chăm chặt na Krista ang sungan nun lại tol na kita. Salin na kuni ahong solite kinuhati ni panihilante kaitin goleng sa bonay poldawa don yaka don nihilante. When the sun rises in the morning, nampisalin ni tahin. Nampisalin ni tahin.
Nampisalin ni tahin. What does it mean, guys? Nampisalin ni tahin. I really don't know Kuki language, guys, but I can sing for you guys and I can understand the pain, guys. I really saw a lot of most of the music video is really so sad and so painful. A lot of suffering happening to those people. They are really suffering too much, guys. Oh God, we really pray for the blessing, for the justice, for the peace, for the Kuki people, for the Kukiland, guys. Nampisalin ni tahin. When the sun rises, the sun will rise very soon, and our God is watching. The greatest, the only Almighty God is going to save us, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Love from Africa. My prayers with all of you guys. May God grant you peace, justice. All the best, guys. Love you so much. This song is really so touching, so emotional. I can feel it, guys. I can really feel the song, guys. It's really so painful. And I saw a lot of life lost in this video, guys. So nothing to say. My prayer with you all, guys. Till next time. Love you all.